We are going to discuss that wealth is obtainable for you, and you should set your heart on obtaining wealth. When we last left our friend Banser, the chariot maker, he was asking the richest man in Babylon how he became wealthy. Arkid is explaining to Banser how wealth has the ability to enhance life. There are many things in life that bring happiness and contentment, but wealth increases the potency of these things. With wealth, you can travel, furnish your home, and eat nice food. Realizing all the good wealth creates, you must pursue income and not dismiss it as unobtainable or something for other people to pursue but not yourself. Do not be satisfied with being poor or average. Set your heart upon being successful and becoming wealthy. It is an obtainable goal if you pursue it in the right way. As for time, all men have it in abundance. You, each of you, have let slip by sufficient time to have made yourselves wealthy. Yet you admit you have nothing to show except your good families, of which you can be justly proud. Page 4. There are two kinds of learning. The first is what you learn in school, and the second is training that teaches us what we do not know. Arkid had gone to work as a scribe in the Hall of Records. He labored day and night, but he had little to show for his hard work. He could never remember how he spent all his money, just that it was never enough, and it was always gone as fast as he could make it. One day, Algamish, the moneylender, came to order work. He told Arkid he needed the work done quickly, and he would pay him handsomely for it. In exchange for working all night, Algamish will tell Arkid how to become wealthy. The road to wealth is deciding that a part of all you earn is yours to keep. But all I earn is mine to keep, is it not? Protested Arkid. Far from it, Algamish replies. Do you not pay the garment maker, the sandal maker, the food merchant? Can you live without spending? Every gold piece you save is a slave to work for you. Every copper it earns is its child that also can earn for you. If you would become wealthy, then what you save must earn, and its children must earn, and that all may help to give to you the abundance you crave. Page 18. This is only the first lesson. There are many other lessons. It is not enough to just save and make money work for you. We will discuss the other lessons in part 3 and later videos. Be sure to subscribe so you can start putting your money to work for you. Remember, friends, put aside part of what you earn for yourself. Make it work for you. Part of all you earn is for you to keep.